Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, SinitaWells.com, and you know it is that time of the year again. It is that time of the year where you start planning. You start planning to have friends and family over. You start planning for the holidays. You get into preparation mode. But sometimes we lack in one particular area, and that is planning for our own success. Yes, the new year is right around the corner, and have you sat down and actually planned out what you want that year to look like for you? Well, if you haven't, this is the time to get started. The goal is written in stone is all about just that. It is about you sitting down, taking the time to pre-plan for your success. Don't wait till the new year show up and then start planning. Then you have put in 30 days of planning when you could have put in 30 days of action. So what I want you to do is to peruse the page, look around, and see if this is for you. I know it's for you. All you have to do is decide and take action. The goal is written in stone, is for you. So what will your new year look like?